Hey everyone, 404pixels here. In this video I'm going to walk you through how I edit my travel photos. And I know this is just one of the edits that I'm walking you through, but more or less the whole process remains the same, so let's get right into it. So first of all, I'll just do some basic adjustments like the exposure, contrast, highlights, everything in the lights tab, then the colors tab, and then further on I'll do some basic adjustment with the masks. So now we do a little bit of spot healing, but not through the spot healing tool. We'll use the generative fill because it's more accurate and it's way faster than that. So we'll remove this black spot and the person in the background as well because we want to keep the focus on the subject. And generative fill does a very good job at hiding things out, removing objects and everything else. And now we'll just group all these layers and then we'll convert into smart object and go back to the camera raw filters. There we can now edit a little better colors. We can add through presets, we can color grade, we can do all those things. Now we go to selective color. I like this because it gives me more control over how I can edit each individual color in the photo. Also, I like to keep each color in a separate layer because if I change my mind and I want to edit that particular color moving on in the edit, it's just easier for me and it's a more organized workflow for me. And now for the Dreamy effect, what I'll do is duplicate this layer, rasterize this one, and then we'll go to image, and then we'll click on apply image. Alright, then what I do is I just name the bottom layer as burn after duplicating that one. So now we have two layers, one to darken up the image, one to have that dreamy effect. So for this one, I'll just darken up the road and all the shadows, the ones that I don't want to focus that much on. We'll go to the blending mode and we'll select screen. Now we go to filter, blur and Gaussian blur. And that's where the magic happens basically. Now you can select whatever value works for your image and then you are good to go. And after this, it's all up to you what kind of look do you want to the whole image. You can adjust it through masks, through colors, and just the overall look and feel of the image. It's all what you want to build to it.